Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Phil. I'm a boy who enjoys playing with makeup, and for today's video we're going to be talking about KK Beauty. I had the chance to go to her pop-up store in Santa Monica. It was so much fun. Unfortunately, you have to wait in a huge line. Obviously, it's Kim, like, it's expected. But I waited about like an hour or so. Yeah, it was kind of long, but I mean, again, like I said, it's Kim Kardashian. She definitely has a big following on her. So once in the store, it's kind of exactly how you would expect it. It's very minimal, very contemporary, very, like, you know, nicely displayed. They had like a wall where it was like her palette with Mario, and then there was a wall where there was like a display of like all her concealers and all of her perfumes, and then her new perfume, the one with the body shape, had its own little like display area. It was I would say it was very Kim and very well done. My only feedback, or one thing I would say, is that the lighting in there is not the best for like, it's the best for like, you know, aesthetics, but for like swatching and trying to get like a perfect shade, it's not quite the best lighting. If you're into Kim Kardashian, or if you're curious to see how her brand is, I would recommend going, because you can test out the products, see if you like it, see if you hate it, see if it's good for you, or if you would like to purchase it. It's definitely a great opportunity. The products I picked up were the concealer, the baking powder, and the brightening powder. If you're curious to see how everything worked out and how I felt, then keep on watching. I already have my foundation on, I already have my primer on, and I have my brown pencil on. So here it all is. The KK Beauty. This is the bag that you get when you shop at the pop-up store. So I picked up these products. Why did I not pick up the other products? Because one, I don't have that much money to spend, and two, when I swatched the contour kit, I didn't really like the colors, but they're more like warm tones, I feel, and I don't really like warm tone contours. And then the highlighters, again, I don't have all the money in the world, and I kind of feel like I already had highlighters that were like close to their colors and like close to like how blinded they are. They actually really are blinding, so if you don't have any highlighters you want to check her out, I would recommend it. So let's open up the concealer. There it is, right there. Alright, next let's open up the baking powder. And there that is. Okay, so then last we're going to open up the brightening powder. Now, from what I've seen online, this works really well. For these two, I bought the shade 1, and for the concealer, I bought shade 7. I also bought a fragrance. Let's see, I bought the Crystal Gardenia Citrus. Yes. So when you open it up, it looks like this. See this little thing right here. It comes with little crystals. That's so cool. Little crystals right there. I usually film with other crystals on my desk, so that'll be cool. I get to put them all together. And then it comes with a little note that says KKW fragrance, rose quartz, the stone of love and emotional healing. Enhance self-love and self-acceptance. Oh, okay. Well, you know how they say, like, you know, the stones that you need gravitate towards you? What are you trying to say? But I was torn between this one and the one in the shape of Brightening. Oh my god. It smelled so good. I know some people saw the bottle and they're like, ugh. Do not be thrown off by that. It smells so good. Just gonna spray some on. Oh my god, it smells so good. Alright, so I already did my foundation off camera. Let me just buff out underneath, make sure that's all blended out. Let's conceal. Alright, now let's blend it out and see how it works. Alrighty, so the concealer I got is my skin tone, which the rule of thumb is you want to get one that's a little brighter, so that's okay. Maybe the brightening powder will lift me up. Okay, let's do some on the nose, and then on the forehead, and then on the chin. Alright, so now we're all blended out, and I have to say I am really impressed with it. It's definitely blocking out my discoloration. It's not really getting into my fine lines, although I did do a new primer that I am loving. This new primer that I bought is E.l.f. It's the Prep and Blur Stick. Oh my god, I feel like my pores are snatched. With concealers, I do have fine lines under my eyes, unfortunately, and I feel like sometimes the concealers get in there, and I feel like this helps stop that. Alrighty, so now let's see. What do? You said it. So let's do the baking. Now, I'm not really big on like baking, but for a Kim Kardashian video, I guess we can bend our rules. Does anyone film me when they hate taking the little plastic off any powders? I cannot imagine anybody who has like long nails taking this off. Alright, I grabbed tweezers. I'm going to try and pull this off. Oh, just do that every time. Don't bother trying to pick at it. Okay, so I'm gonna go with a brush to set it. Also, another reason why I don't like baking is because I have such dry skin. Okay, I'm not gonna leave the powder on for too long because I don't want it to mess up and get too dry on my face. Alrighty, well, it definitely set underneath. I don't know how I feel about it. I like it, I don't know. I think because I have dry skin, it's kind of making me look extra dry. It did not define my pores, so I guess that's good. I don't know, I guess we'll see. Let's just move on. You know what, actually? Refresh the face. Okay, wow, that helps a lot. Again, I have dry skin, so that's why baking doesn't usually work for me. But spraying that over kind of puts some life back into my skin. Alright, so the brightening powder, I kind of feel like in a contour kit it would be like this kind of shade kind of thing. But from what I've heard, that it's actually really good, or does like go above and beyond that. So I'm excited to try it. So we're gonna go in. Wow, oh my god. That is definitely brightening. Kind of over-exaggerates my lines right here. Okay, so I'm not so close to the eye. This is very white. Kind of wish I got like the yellow one, but we'll make it work. Wow, that definitely brightened up everything. And I have to say, I love the way it looks. For me to achieve a really bright center, it requires a lot of baking, a lot of powders, and it just makes my face look overly dry. And this brightening powder really helps achieve that look. So I am really happy how this looks. Now I'm curious to see what this all will look like when I have like my contour, bronzer, and all that stuff. So I'm gonna go do all that off camera and I'll be right back. Oh hi, I was just highlighting for the gods. Alright, so I tried baking off camera, and so now I'm just going to dust it off my face. So yeah, this contour has been snatched. But yeah, off camera, I kept it within the family. I've used the Kylie Cosmetics highlighter, the salted caramel, and then I used her Libra liquid lipstick. Alrighty, and this is the finished look. I'm just gonna pause at this step just to keep the video simple and short. Products. I really like this concealer a lot, and I feel like it did its job. It definitely hid all my discoloration. It kind of did it into my little finer lines, but I feel like I can live with that. So the baking powder, I think it's a little bit too intense for dry skin, but I mean, again, I could just like put it on just to set it real fast and then just dust it off. It works really well to bake out the contour, so I think when I want to have like a sharp contour, I would definitely use this. The brightening powder, oh my god, I love this. This worked so well. I'm so impressed with it. Like, I'm gonna use this up. So would I recommend all these? Yes, I would recommend all of them. I wish this was a setting spray because it smells so good, and I feel like it'd be a nice all over the face, but we'll just, and I guess we'll actually set the face with the real setting spray. Let's get this fan and dry it off the face. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, then hit that like button and share with all your friends and family. And I upload videos every Wednesday, so be sure to hit that notification bell to be alert every time I upload. And if you enjoyed me, then subscribe to my channel. And if you want to follow me outside of YouTube, my social media links will be linked right down below. So yeah, thank you so much for watching and have an awesome day.